Welcome managers to Protostar Leadership Development, where we live and breathe lean thinking. While often called lean management or lean manufacturing, we prefer the term lean thinking as the techniques can be used in any business environment if you know a few tools and have the right attitude. To help you achieve that, we run tailored workshops for your organisation, only training in the techniques that would be applicable to your company and the roles and capability of the staff you send to us. Typically this will either be a 2 or a 4-day workshop spread out over a few weeks so that you use the tools in your workplace between each session, resulting in a completed improvement project by the end. So what do we cover? Well, lean thinking revolves around principles: identify customers and value, map where value is added, eliminate waste and create an effective flow, respond to customer pull or needs, and pursue perfection. To do all of that, we will cover techniques such as 5S, and you'll probably do a 5S project as part of this program. Root cause analysis, so you can eliminate repeated problems. Value chain analysis, so you can improve the efficiency of your processes and cut out those that don't add value. 8D, to help you solve problems, and FMEA, to help you avoid problems in the first place. Now, if that all sounds like complicated jargon, don't panic. Our workshops are aimed at people who are not from a quality or lean background, and we take you through all of this in a safe and steady manner with no delegate left behind. So if you'd like your staff to start improving processes, working more efficiently, and for your organisation to describe itself as lean, then visit the Protostar website or contact us so that we get things started.